What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sierra and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started with this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all have probably been wondering, where has she been? She hasn't posted in a while. Well, that's because the last time I posted was like January, I think. Yes. So I found out the week or two after I posted a video that I was having emergency surgery on my sinuses. So I had the surgery February 1st. Yeah, I had the surgery February 1st and I had to stay overnight. It was like a feast surgery, and the recovery time was like 2 weeks. So I did my 2 weeks and they're up, but I'm still going through like therapy and cleanings at my doctor. So I've been trying to take it easy a lot, you know, because I couldn't lift certain stuff. I couldn't really bend down, or pretty much my energy I didn't have much energy, and I was kind of weak, so I had to regain all my, strength back up. And while doing that, as y'all know, I'm in college. I'm a third-year student, so I was having to maintain going to school, working, and dealing with just having surgery. And at the time, YouTube was not on my mind because I had things to do, and I know I love doing YouTube, but I know I had other things before this, if that makes sense. Like, school comes before anything, to be honest. But if you have any ideas on what videos you want to see from me next, don't forget to leave them down below in the description box, or you can comment on any of my social medias. Inbox me, whatever, on my social media. I will answer, and they'll be in the description box down below, all of my links. But without further ado, let's get into this video, right? Let's get into the main video. So as you all know, I told y'all I was building my vanity. And I had said this like maybe October. I was like, oh, I'm gonna have my vanity done by Christmas. Yeah, it didn't go that way. I didn't buy my stuff until after Christmas, and I got it done before New Year's. But I have everything done, well, mostly everything done. I'm still trying to get like finishing touches on it, but at the same time, I don't want to go too overboard to make it look very tacky. But I will be doing, in this video, I'll be actually showing you how my vanity looks, what I did to get it to look like this, and what's all in my vanity. So keep watching. So as you can see, this is the complete look of my vanity. I guess I can start at the top. So of course I have candles. This is just an apple tower I got from Dollar Tree, just simple decor. This is just another candle. I got this candle from Walmart actually. And then this is, I think it's called Pineapple Lily, and it smells so good. I also did get that glass container from Dollar Tree, and then also the marbles, and I put my brushes in here because they were like, it's simple to decorate a vanity. Yeah, these are different brushes. Below this is just like a candy jar, you can see. My Starburst. I love pink Starburst. This is also another candle. And then here I have all my lipsticks. Well, most of my lipsticks. And here's another glass container of my beauty blenders or whatever. And of course I'm just burning a candle. It smells so good. So good. And then I have another candle, and then like extra makeup bags I haven't used yet in my phone cases. And also, this is the clicker that goes to my lights. I have it hooked up down behind there. It's a wireless outlet, if that makes sense. So pretty much I just plug those lights into the wall, and this is a remote. I can control it. Like, I'm turning them off. So let's get into my drawers. So, okay, before we get into this part, I am in the process of lining all my drawers with lining paper. I'm in the process of doing that, but this is really just a box of the extra lights that I didn't use to keep down there. My next drawer is just honestly extra blenders, my lip stuff I haven't really used. This drawer is like all my highlight, contour palettes, foundation, powders, my brush cleaner, the paper, the blotting paper, you know, just a mix. And here is all my eyeshadows. This is my glitter primer when I do want to do a glitter look. But I have Juvia's Place, Morph, Elf. Next drawer, I have all of my lashes stacked in on this side. I have the individuals. I have eyelash curler, my tweezers for my lashes, mascara, what's this? Brow, a brow pencil, mascara, brow pomade, and then my glue for my eyelashes. So, and then I also got this chair from, what was it? I got this from Ross. It was like $49. Okay, this side is full of my hair products. So here I have all my scarves, bandanas, whatnot, and I have an InStyler down here. I don't really use it much because I'm natural now, of course. But the next drawer, it's mainly my oils and my wig stuff, conditioners, a little bit of grease, and then just a lot of shampoo products. The next drawer, same thing, shampoo, protein treatments, conditioners. This drawer is supposed to be most of my hair products, like moisturizers, curling stuff. Like for instance, this is curling custard. I use this when I have my actual hair down. Then the last drawer is like combs and like head wraps, headbands, and of course clips. And I got these drawers from Michael's. They're originally $100, but I think I got mine for, I got 2 for $60, I think. Yes, 2 for $60. I will leave the screenshot of the exact drawers and like the link and all that down below. What else? The board right here that goes on top of the drawers, I got that from Lowe's. It was like $13, but I got it cut. Also the contact paper was from Lowe's as well. It was like $7.98, I think. Very easy to install. Just wanted to make it look pretty. The only thing that I do regret not getting was an acrylic sheet to go over it, because you know how makeup gets messy and smears a lot. That's what I regret getting. But when I got my board cut, especially for this, to match the length of the drawers, this part is what I had left. So instead of, to stop the gap from behind the wall, I used that part and then wrapped it so pretty much it's behind the mirror. But I got it wrapped and I put it to sit it up so it can, like, I don't know, so it can give it like a look, if that makes sense. And I bought my mirror from Lowe's. I'm not sure exactly how much the mirror cost, but I think it was like $24. I will leave it down below in the description. And then last but not least, my lights. I got my lights from Amazon. They were, was it 17 or 18? I'm not exactly sure, but these lights work pretty well. The only thing that this is the one thing I really didn't like about the lights, that they have like an adhesive back that sticks on the light. So when you get ready to stick, you have to make sure your mirror is completely clean, because if not, the residue will come back, but will get on the sticky part and peel off. So I had to use about 3 or 4 stickies to redo because they wouldn't stick. But pretty much I'm overall pleased with my vanity. Pretty much I'm overall pleased. It looks nice. Oh, and down there, if y'all wonder what that is, that's like all my hair stuff, like braiding hair, twisting hair, you know, you name it. But yeah, I'm overall pleased with my vanity. Don't forget to comment down below what you like the most, or if you need any ideas on vanities. This is just the idea I chose because it was easier for me and a little bit cheaper. I could say this vanity was probably, it was under 150. 150 or 160. But it's not too expensive. But yeah.